Good morning, class. In the last class, we have done exercise number 9.2. And now in this class, I am going to start exercise 9.3. First, we are going to do examples question. After that, we are doing exercise question. So, chapter 9. Algebraic expressions and identity. Exercise 9.3. Example 5. In example 5, it is written, the instruction is simplify the expression and evaluate them as directed. Okay, so here the first question is x minus 3 plus 2 for x equals to 1. Okay, so first we are going to solve this expression, that is x minus 3 plus 2. So it is x square minus 3x plus 2. On putting x equals to 1. On putting x equals to 1 in the expression, we have 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 minus 3 plus 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3, minus 3, that is 0. So 0 is the answer of on this example. So note it down. Second part of this example, 3y in bracket 2y minus 7 minus 3 in bracket y minus 4 minus 63 for y is equals to minus 2. Okay, so here first we are going to solve this expression. 3y in bracket 2y minus 7 minus 3 in bracket y minus 4 minus 63. So 3y into 2y, that is 6y square, minus 3y into minus 7, that is 21y, and minus 3 multiplied by y, it gives minus 3y again, and minus 3 multiplied with minus 4 gives plus 12 minus 63. So here 6y square is only term here in the expression, and here you find like terms. So minus 21 minus 3 becomes minus 24y, and here it is also a like term, 12 minus 63, so it is minus 51. Now we put the value on putting y equals to minus 2 in the following expression. 6 minus 2 whole square minus 24 into minus 2 minus 51. So 6 into minus 2 whole square, that is 4, minus 24 into minus 2 minus 51. So 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 48 minus 51. So 24 plus 48, that is 72 minus 51, that is 21. So 21 is the final answer. Note it down. Example number 6. Example 6, first part, 5 amp in bracket 3 minus amp and 6 amp square minus 13 amp. 6 amp square minus 13 amp. We have to add it. So first I am going to solve this expression. Okay, so that is written as 5 amp in bracket 3 minus amp plus we have to add it, so I put here plus sign. Now it is 5 amp into 3, that is 15 amp, minus 5 amp into amp, that is 5 amp square, plus 6 amp square minus 13 amp. So here are the like terms. 15 amp minus 13 amp gives 2 amp, and minus 5 amp square plus 6, that is amp square. So 2 amp plus amp square is the value, is the answer of the question. Now can be written as amp square plus 2 amp. So note it down. First part is done. Now the second, 4y in bracket 3y square plus 5y minus 7. We have to add both the expression, and 2 in bracket y square minus 2y cube, that is 2y cube minus 4y square plus 5. So it is written as minus 7, and on the place of and we put plus sign because we have to add both the expression. Now we break the bracket here. 4y multiplied by 3y square, 4 3s are 12, and y into y square becomes y cube. 4y into 5y plus 4 5s are 20. Y into y is y square. 4y into minus 7, 4 into 7, that is 28 y, plus 2 into y cube, 2y cube, 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8 y square, 2 5s are 10 here. Now we find the like terms here, that is 12 plus 2, that is 14y cube, and the term which has y square, 20y square minus 8y square. 20 minus 8 gives 12y square minus 28y plus 10. Okay, so here is the answer. You can now note it down. Now the next example is example 7. Example 7 is subtract 3pq in bracket p minus q from 2pq in bracket p plus q. We have to subtract this algebraic expression from this one, so it can be written in mathematical operation as 2pq in bracket p plus q minus 3pq in bracket p minus q, and after breaking the bracket and solve it, 2pq multiplied by p gives 2p square q, 2pq plus q multiplied by 2p q square minus 3pq multiplied by p minus 3p square q, and minus 3pq multiplied by minus q plus 3p q square. Now here this is the like term, this one, and 2p square q and minus 3p square q. 2 minus 3 gives minus p square q, and plus 2pq square plus 3pq square. 2 plus 3, that is 5pq square. So note it down. I am going to solve some questions of exercise. So, question number first. The instruction is carry out the multiplication of the expression in each of the following pairs. So here the pairs are 4p, first pair is 4p and q plus r. We have to multiply both the algebraic expression. 4p multiplied by q plus r gives 4p into q plus 4p into r. So 4pq plus 4pr is the product. Now the next I take here third part of this, a plus b multiplied 7a square b square. So a multiplied by 7 a square b square plus b multiplied with 7 a square b square. So 7 a cube b square plus 7 a square b cube. Note it down. And for the last, that is fifth, p cube plus qr plus rp multiplied by 0. If any expression or any constant multiplied by 0, then the product is always 0. Now note it down, all the three questions. Now question number 2, there is a table, and in the first there is an algebraic expression, in the second column there is another algebraic expression, and in the third you have to find the product of that two algebraic expressions, and so you all have to do it by yourself, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the class. So now I am going to question number 3 and third part of this question. Question number third part. Minus 10 by 3 p cube to the power 3 multiplied by 6 by 5 p to the power cube into q. Now here six by 5 p cube, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4 with minus sign, and p to the power 4 and q to the power 4. Minus 4, p to the power 4, q to the power 4 is the answer. So note it down. Now I am going to solve question number 4, second part. Second part. We have to simplify. A square plus a plus 1 plus 5 and find the value for first a is equals to 0, second a is equals to 1, and the third is a is equals to minus 1. So the solution, first we have to solve it. A into a square, a cube, plus a into a square, a into 1, a plus 5. For a equals to 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, that is 5. And for, this is first part, this is second part, for a is equals to 1, 1 to the power cube 1 square plus 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5, that is 8. And the third one is for a is equals to minus 1 cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 square is 1 and minus 1 is minus 1 plus 5. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. 5 minus 1 gives 4. So now note it down. And class, your homework is for today. You have to do all the remaining questions of this exercise. And class, thank you. It's all over for today. We will do the next exercise in the next class. Thank you so much.